Have you ever wondered how your body turns genetic code into the proteins that keep you alive? Today, we're unlocking the secrets behind this fascinating process. Proteins are not just dietary essentials found in meat and beans, they are crucial biological molecules that perform a myriad of functions in our bodies. From building muscle fibers to fighting infections and catalyzing chemical reactions as enzymes, proteins are indispensable. But how are these proteins made? It all starts with a process known as protein synthesis, and it involves three key stages: transcription, translation, and post-translational modifications. Let's begin with transcription. Inside every cell in your body lies the blueprint of life, DNA. This complex molecule contains the instructions needed to make proteins. During transcription, the first stage of protein synthesis, the cell reads the information from a segment of DNA and transcribes it into messenger RNA or mRNA. Think of mRNA as a mobile blueprint that carries the genetic information necessary to make proteins from the nucleus, where the DNA resides, to the cell's cytoplasm, where proteins are made. Once in the cytoplasm, mRNA reaches the ribosome, which can be likened to a tiny factory that reads the information on the mRNA and translates it into a protein. This process is aptly named translation. Here, the ribosome decodes the mRNA sequence into a string of amino acids that will form a protein. Each three-letter sequence on the mRNA, called a codon, corresponds to a specific amino acid. It's like reading a set of instructions where every three letters tell you to add a particular piece to your model. Finally, the emerging protein undergoes various modifications after its initial synthesis. These changes are crucial, as they determine the protein's final function in the body. These modifications can include the addition of sugar groups, altering the protein structure, or even cutting the protein into smaller pieces. Now that we've laid the groundwork, let's dive into the first stage: transcription.